friends, today we're going to draw an ice cream cart.
We hope you have your art supplies all ready and you're going to follow along with us. We're using our markers, but you can always use whatever you have.
Also, don't worry about making your drawing just like ours.
Yeah, because both of ours look a little different and they both turn out awesome. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing the cart, and we're going to draw the top of the cart first, right here in the middle of our paper with a horizontal line, and I made it curved on accident. But that's okay, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing.
To have fun.
And to
practice.
Yes. Then we're going to draw a short line down on each side, and then we can draw another line connecting them. So we've got this really long, skinny rectangle shape. Okay, now let's draw the sides of the cart coming down on the left and coming down on the right to match. And I'm also drawing them kind of coming in towards the middle, but you could just draw them straight down too. Okay, next let's draw the wheel for our cart. I'm going to draw a circle here. And this is before we draw the bottom. So we can draw the bottom behind the wheel. Let's draw a smaller circle inside for the tire. Then a smaller circle for the little hub. And then we can also draw spokes. I'm going to draw straight lines going down and then going across. Yeah, and then let's cut the pizza up again, or the wheel. We can draw diagonal lines going across. Okay, now let's draw the bottom of our cart going through the tire and coming out the other side to complete it. Oh, and let's give our little cart another wheel over here, but maybe it's a smaller one. I'm going to draw a little triangle shape. And then we can draw a circle going around. And if you can fit another one, just a really small one inside there. Yeah, okay, now let's give our cart a little handle. I'm going to draw an S curve going up and out. And we could draw another to make the handle thicker right next to it and connect it at the end. Oh, and we can add another one for that actual handle grip. And let's draw. Sometimes it's kind of fun because you can hear the cart come in with a little bell. So we can draw a little rope coming down and then an upside down letter U. And then we can curve the bell coming out on each side and then connect the bottom. And you can draw the little ringer inside. Yeah, that's really cute. Okay, what should we add next?
The ice cream.
Let's do it. And you could add all kinds of ice cream. It doesn't have to be the same as us. You could just add ice cream cones. You could add popsicles. Let's do both popsicles and ice cream cones. Let's start with a popsicle right in the middle. I'm going to draw, and we're going to draw it almost like it's jumping out of the cart. So then the big upside down letter U, and then we can connect the bottom. And then we can draw the little stick touching the top of the cart. Okay, now let's draw another popsicle. This time I'm going to draw a bit overlapping, and then we can draw the bottom. I'm going a little faster since we're repeating the same steps. And the stick. Okay, now let's draw an ice cream cone over here. First, let's draw the top of the cone. And then the cone going into the cart. And then we're going to draw the ice cream on top. We could draw scoops, or let's draw a soft serve. So we're going to draw little bumps coming up. And then the little swirl at the top, we could draw one more, and then an S curve connecting to the other side. Yeah, that's a cute little curl at the top. Okay, now let's draw scooped ice cream over here. We could draw a cup first. Maybe this is a big ice cream. And then we can draw it going into the cart. And then let's draw a little curve on each side. And then the scoop on top. Oh, we could also add chocolate. Dripping. Chocolate sauce. Yeah, and a cherry. And then we could also draw another cone. Let's do the line for the top of the cone. And then we could draw it coming in like a triangle shape, but going into the cart. And then let's add a scoop. So instead of it being soft serve like this one, we're gonna draw the 2 curves on the side and then the scoop going above and on top. And maybe this one has chocolate chips on it. We could add a little. Okay, let's also add a few more decorations. Let's add an umbrella because we have to keep the ice cream cool.
Yep.
It might get too hot.
So it doesn't melt.
Yeah, so it doesn't melt. Yeah. Let's draw a diagonal line going across. And then right in the middle of the diagonal line, let's draw the pole for the umbrella coming down. And I'm going to draw another line right next to it. And if you can see it, maybe the pole goes through the ice cream right here or behind it, and then it's overlapping behind the stick, so maybe you can't really see it. But if you could see it, you could draw it down here too. Okay, now let's draw the top of the umbrella. We'll draw a big curve coming over to the other side. We could draw a little bump on the top. And then we could draw little letter U's connected right here over to the other side. Yes. Oh, and let's also draw flags hanging down lower. So I'm going to draw a big line that's kind of drooping in the middle. And these kind of look like party flags. We're going to draw little triangle shapes coming down from the line, the rope or the string. And we did it. We finished drawing our cute little, oh, we're missing one important thing.
Oh, funny face.
Yeah, let's, well, our cart needs to be super happy because why wouldn't you be happy if you had that much ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. And our friends can change their funny faces. It doesn't have to be the same as us. So I'm going to draw my favorite funny face. I'm going to draw a really crazy one. So you could complete the mouth on the other side if you want, or you could just keep following the steps with me. There's teeth on top.
I'm going to do an open mouth.
Open mouth. I like it. And then I'm going to draw teeth over here. And then I'm going to draw a big tongue inside and then color in the shape. I love it. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw my eyes slightly different. So this eye is open. I'm going to draw a little highlight and then color in the big circle. And then on this side, I'm going to draw it winking. So I'm going to draw a sideways letter V. I like that both your eyes are open. That's really cute. And we did it. We finished drawing, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward again. So remember to pause the video and you can color your drawings too. You can even add a background. Maybe the cart is at the park and there's lots of little kids wanting ice cream.
Oh yeah.
All right, so you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, we finished coloring our ice cream carts and they turned out really cute.
Yeah, I love them, especially with all the colors.
Yeah, and I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings and even change their drawings. We added extra things like a little shadow to make it 3D and also some motion lines. Sounds like or it looks like you can hear the bell.
Yeah.
I can't really hear it.
You could also change the ice cream to be different flavors.
Oh yeah, we picked rainbow and also some chocolate and sprinkles, but you guys could change it any way you want.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
Yeah, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add more things. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.